Hello friends, welcome to Thorough Education on the digital class platform. Myself HV Kevadia, and today I am taking your second exercise of chapter 14, 14.2. Question number 1, what we should find out. Let's see. The following table shows the ages of patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Find the mode and mean of the data given above. Compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency, mean and mode and median, all the measures of central tendency. That means average, right? But let's see. Here we should not draw the table, but we should first define model class. So to find mode of the data, we need to find model class first. So which is model class? The highest frequency class is the model class, which is 35 to 45. The highest frequency is 23 in the class 35 to 45. So 23 is the highest frequency and 35 to 45 is model class. The class which has highest frequency is model class. So let's take a lower limit 35, class size 10, subtract this both 10, f1 that is frequency of the model class, this is 23, f0 that is preceding class frequency 21, and f2 that is frequency of succeeding class, that is 14. Succeeding that means next class and preceding that means before, above. Let's see z that is mode. Mode is L plus bracket f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. This is our formula. So 35 plus 23 minus 21 upon 2 into 23, because we have all the values here. Look, put this value in this formula. 23 minus 21, f1 minus f0 upon 2 into f1, that is 2 into 23, minus f0 21, minus f2 that is 14 into height 10. So we got here 23 minus 21 equals to 2, 23 2s are 46, minus sum of both these 21 14, that is 35, into 10. We have 35 plus 2 upon 11 into 10. 2 into 10, that is 20. 20 upon 11. If we divide 20 by 11, we will get 1.81 approximately. So sum of 35 and 1.81 is equals to 36.81 approximately. This is our mode, and we are to find out mean of this data. So what is the mean? Mean, for mean we need to draw the table. Here are the classes, frequency, xi you know very well, 15 plus 5 upon 2, that is 20 upon 2, 10, 25 plus 15 upon 2, that is 20, that is 40 upon 2, that is 20. In this way we have all xi and we have assumed a as 30, right? This is step deviation method. If we find ui, then it is step deviation method. So here di means xi minus a, that is 10 minus 30, 10 minus 30 is minus 20, 20 minus 30 minus 10, 30 minus 30 0, 40 minus 30 10, 50 minus 30 20, and 60 minus 30, that is 30. So we have di. Similarly ui, di upon h. Di upon h means 20 upon 10 minus 2, 10 upon 10 minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. ui, fi ui, 6 into minus 2 minus 12, 1 into 11 minus 11, 0, 23, 28, 50. Understood? 3 into 5, that is 15. 2 into 14, that is 28. So if we do sum of all these, fi ui equals to 43. Okay. Now we have x bar. X bar equals to a plus h into bracket fi ui upon sigma fi equals to 30 plus 10 into 43 upon 80. 43 upon 80. 80 is the sigma fi. Then 30 plus, if we divide this 430, 10 into 43. 430 divided by 8. This is 80. This is 5.37. And if we add this, we will get 35.37 years. This is maximum number of patients admitted in the hospital are of the age of 36.81, right, years approximately, while the average age of patient is 35.37 years. Friends, we have completed this mode and mean of the data. Now second question, let's see. The following data gives the information of the observed lifetimes in hours of 225 electrical components. Determine the model lifetime of the components. Model, that means mode. To find mode of the data, we need to find model class first. The highest frequency class is the model class, which is 60 to 80. Look at here in the textbook. The class 60 to 80 has the highest frequency 61. Right? Now we take the data. L equals to lower limit of the model class 60. H equals to size of the class interval 20. F1 frequency of the model class 61. Frequency of preceding class 52 and succeeding class 38. Okay. Now we have formula. Mode Z equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. 60 plus 61 minus 52, that is 2 into 61 minus 52 minus 38 into 20. 61 minus 52, that is 9 upon 122 minus 90 into 20. So we have 60 plus 9 upon 32 into 20. 9 into 20, that is 180 upon 32. Therefore 60 plus 5.625. If we divide 180 by 32, we will get this. Practice division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Then 60 plus 5, 65.625 hours is the mode of this data. Now question number 3. Question number 3. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the modal monthly expenditure of the families. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. Mode and mean both we need to find out. Okay friends, so first let's see mode. The highest frequency is 40, right? So 1500 to 2000 is our model class. So the lower limit is 1500, class size is 500, frequency of model class 40, preceding class 24 and succeeding class 33. Same formula and same system. Friends, if you practice, you will get it, definitely get it. Lower limit 1500, F1 40, F0 24 upon 2 into 40 minus 24 minus 33 into 500. If we simplify this formula, this equation, then we will get 1847.83. Try to simplify by yourself. This is my suggestion to you. Now we are to find mean of the data. So to find mean, we need to draw a table. We have drawn this table: Fi, Xi, Di, Ui and Fiui. You are now very well aware of all these things, aren't you? Yes, you are aware. Fi that is frequency given in the table, Xi that is mid value that is this plus this upon 2, right? Di that is Xi minus A di, Ui that is di upon H, H is 500, we have this upon 500, this upon 500, this upon 500, we will get Ui, and then Fi Ui that is multiplication of Fi and Ui, we will get this. Then do the sum, you have got minus 35 as the sum. Now mean is A plus H bracket sigma Fi Ui upon sigma Fi. This is our mean. 2750 plus 500 into minus 35 by 200 equals to 2750 minus 175 upon 2, that is 2750 minus 87.5, that we get 2662.5. This is our mean. Now friends, very easy sums are there, very easy. Question number 4. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Find the mode and mean of the data. Interpret the two measures. Let's see. Mode and mean. We have model class 30 to 35 because there is highest frequency 10, and we have all this data, right? Lower limit that is 30, class interval that is 5, 35 minus 35, then frequency of model class 10, frequency of preceding class 9 and succeeding class 3. Now we have formula. Put the values, all the above values in this formula and find out mode. That is 30.625 is our mode, right? Now we need to find mean also. Same formula, same things. I have taken the same method in each sum. We can take here another method, assumed mean method also. Assumed mean method also. But I have taken step deviation in each case because it's easy method. Okay friends, now you know Fi, Xi, Di, Ui and Fi Ui. You will find Fi sigma Fi 35, Fi Ui minus 23, right? So the mean is A plus H sigma Fi Ui upon sigma Fi, that is 32.5, this one, plus 5 into minus 23 upon 35, this is minus 23. So 32.5 minus 115 upon 35, because 23 into 5, that is minus 115. If we divide this 115 by 35, then we will get 3.29. If we subtract it, then we will get 29.2. Now what is it? Most states or union territories have a student-teacher ratio of 30.625, and on average this ratio is 29.2. Now question number 5. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. Find the mode of the data. We need to find only mode. So let's see. So model class is 4000 to 5000 because 4000 to 5000 has the highest frequency 18. In this lower limit is 4000, class height is 1000, frequency of model class 18, preceding class 4 and succeeding 9. By putting the data, all this data into the formula, remember the formula friends, otherwise you will not get the sums, and put the data accordingly. Now we have got 4608.7 mode. Now question number 6 and the last of this exercise. 6 and the last. A student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes, 100 times, and summarized it in the table given below. Find the mode of the data. He summarized the table. Now we need to find mode of the data. Right? Only mode, not mean. Right? Let's see. The model class is 40 to 50 because 40 to 50 has the highest frequency 20. 40 is the lower limit. 10 is the class size. Model class frequency is 20 and preceding 12, succeeding 11. Now mode Z equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Put the values in the formula. 40 plus 20 minus 12 upon 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 11 into 10. 40 plus 8 upon 40 minus 23 into 10 because minus 12 minus 11 that is minus 23. And 40 plus 8 upon 17 into 10. We get 80 upon 17 because 8 tens are 80. 8 tens are 80. So 40 plus 4.7. Don't multiply 10 with 17 and 80 also. Okay. This 10 is in numerator, not in denominator. There is 1 in the denominator. So multiply this only with the numerator. 40 plus 4.7 that is 44.7 cars is the mode of this data. Okay friends, we have completed the exercise 14.2. Thank you for being with us and thank you for watching my video. Please recommend your friends for our videos and for our course of 10th and 9th. Okay friends, we also provide spoken English. Please suggest your friends for spoken English. Thank you again for watching this video.